Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I needed a new power bank for travel and stuff. And my other one I have some of these ones that are just too small. They just don't put any power out. So they're great for emergencies, but I need one that'll like charge my stuff overnight or something if I really need it. So picked up this one here. This is safe speed for iOS and Android. It is PD 3.0 output, and it has some cables built in. So let's take out everything that's in there. Box empty here. I'll show you what we got. So this is the manual for it, which not sure why you really need a manual on a battery bank, but probably tells you not to throw it in the fire. But then you can charge it with, you just use USB-A to USB-C, and then the device should be in here. And yes, nothing else in there. So this is all that's left. So we have this, look at this. It's got the cables on here. That's why I got it. So it's got this USB-C cable, perfect for charging my USB-C stuff. And it just kind of goes back in there. I love the ones, these like integrated cables. That's, that's the thing, because I always end up bringing a battery pack and then I forget a cable or whatever. And then I have my lightning cable here. And they're nice, they're short, you're not going to be able to keep this in your backpack and your phone in your hand or something like that. That you would want to use one of these cables for. It comes with USB A and C, so you have those different connectors as well. So you can connect it up to a regular one too. But then this one here it says 22.5 watts, and it's a 12,000 milliamp battery, so it'll charge my phone a couple times. I could probably charge my phone and my iPad even with it, and it'll fill it, both of those, which is nice. So, so if I'm out camping or something like that, I can just use this for the, it'll go for a night and charge everything back up again. So my morning will be good again, and you can check the battery power there. Got 4 dots, so it looks like it comes charged, which is nice too. So super cool. Thumbs up from me on this. Pick up one of these, and I'm going to put a link to this in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.